Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into a cozy, heartwarming dessert that's guaranteed to win hearts, peach cobbler. This recipe is not just easy to follow, it's the perfect comfort dessert. Whether you're looking for something sweet after dinner or planning a weekend treat for the family, this homemade peach cobbler recipe is just what you need. What makes it even better? You don't need fancy ingredients. We're keeping it simple, quick, and super delicious. So grab a spoon and let's get baking. Why you'll love this peach cobbler recipe. No fancy tools needed, just a bowl, a baking dish, and a warm oven. You can use canned or fresh peaches, so it's perfect year-round. The soft, buttery dough topping with a golden crust melts in your mouth. Pairs beautifully with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate dessert. Ingredients you'll need. Let's start by gathering everything. For the peach base, 2 cans of peaches. You can use fresh peaches if you prefer. 1 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon corn flour. Helps thicken that sweet peachy goodness. For the dough topping, 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup ground almonds adds a subtle nutty flavor and soft texture. 1/2 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 150 grams butter, cold, for that perfect crumbly texture. 1 cup milk. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Prepare the peaches. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This gives you just the right temperature for a golden, bubbling cobbler. In a baking dish, add your 2 cans of peaches. Make sure to strain the syrup first. We want the natural sweetness of the fruit without too much liquid. Next, sprinkle 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour over the peaches. Mix it all together gently. The corn flour will help thicken the peach juices as they cook, giving you that rich, syrupy base we all love in a peach cobbler recipe. Set the dish aside while we make the dough. Step 2. Make the dough topping. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of ground almonds, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now, add 150 grams of cold butter. Use your clean hands or a pastry cutter to mix everything together. The goal here is a crumbly texture. You want the butter to coat the flour and create small bits, just like when making scones or biscuits. Once your dough looks nice and crumbly, pour in 1 cup of milk. Mix until it becomes a soft, slightly sticky dough. Step 3. Assemble the cobbler. Take your baking dish with the peach mixture. Spread the dough mixture evenly over the top. It's okay if it doesn't cover every inch. Those golden gaps let the peach juices bubble through and create that classic cobbler look. Step 4. Bake to perfection. Place the dish into your preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden brown and you see the peach filling bubbling around the edges. The aroma alone will have everyone gathering in the kitchen. Serving tips. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Then scoop it into bowls and top it with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or even whipped cream. The contrast between warm cobbler and cold ice cream, absolutely magical. What makes this peach cobbler recipe special? This isn't your average cobbler. The combination of ground almonds in the dough adds depth and a slight nuttiness you won't find in traditional recipes. It's also incredibly versatile. Swap canned peaches for fresh in the summer, or even mix in some berries for a twist. If you've never made cobbler before, this is the perfect beginner-friendly dessert. The ingredients are forgiving, and the method is super simple. It's one of those recipes that helps you build confidence in baking. Plus, by making this peach cobbler at home, you control the sugar, the ingredients, and the flavor. No preservatives, just real, honest dessert. More dessert recipes you'll love. If you enjoyed this easy peach cobbler recipe, don't stop here. Check out more right here on the channel, each one tested and perfected for home bakers just like you. Let's chat. What's your favorite way to make cobbler? Have you tried using other fruits like blueberries or cherries? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your twist on this classic. All right, friends, there you have it, an easy, satisfying, and incredibly delicious peach cobbler recipe you can make any day of the week. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. And hey, if you try this at home, tag me on social media or drop a photo in the comments. I'd love to see your version of this warm, golden beauty. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy baking.